I'm Kelsey, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare your luggage tags for the cruise. So I recommend doing this in advance, that way it's not a big hassle and you're prepared. So there's instructions over here in case you get confused, but I'm going to show you how to do the first option. So here's your tag for your bag for your cruise, and you're just going to take this first fold and put it all the way to the first line right here. And then you're going to flip the paper over and fold it under the colored tag part. Flip it back over, and this is what it should look like. Then we're going to do the second side, which is basically the same thing. You're going to fold it to the first line, flip it over, and fold it behind the colored part. Then this is what it should look like. You can put your guest name for your cruise right here, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're going to take a piece of packing tape, and it has to be longer than the luggage tag. So you're just going to stick it on like that, and then flip it over, and you're just going to stick it to itself. Make sure it's not on the paper, that way you can unstick it. And you're just going to unstick it to itself on this side as well. So this is what it should look like. And then that way, when it's time to put it on your luggage, you can just unstick the tape, just like this, and like this on this side. Okay, now that you've unstuck to itself, then that way when it's time to put on your luggage, you can just fold it onto the handle of your luggage bag. And that's all. And that's the first option. We do have a second option that looks like this. You can just loop it onto your luggage bag, and we will have a link for you if you want to purchase just a sleeve for it.
Kelsey, where do you get those?
You can find them on Amazon.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Happy travels.